Good evening, everyone. Now I am coming. I'm sorry that I have come for teaching. I have come to teach integration by parts. So for integration by parts, we have to learn only one formula, and from that formula we will do all the questions. Now, just let u is the function of x and v is another function of x. So let us suppose u is equal to dx and v is equal to fx. So as in the differentiation, we will use the product rule. So here for the integration of u into v dx, the formula is u integration of v. It is the first function, it is the second function, minus integration of differentiation of u with respect to x into integration of v with respect to x into dx. Now the problem is first function. This is the u is the first function, and this is the second function, So which function will be taken first? So for that there is a rule called I-let rule. I-let rule. I, the first one, the I stands for inverse trigonometric function. So I for inverse trigonometric function. Then if the inverse trigonometric function is coming in the product in the integration by parts, product of the two functions, then we have to take first function as I and L logarithmic function, then A algebraic function, then T trigonometric function, and then E exponential function. So suppose in inverse trigonometric function you know that sin inverse x, cos inverse x, tan inverse x, etc. There are 6. Logarithmic function, this type of function will become log x or log x plus 1, log x square plus 3, etc. This will come. And for algebraic function, you just see here sitting. Now here, suppose 2x square plus 1 and other suppose x cube plus 4, etc. And for trigonometric function, you know it is sin x, suppose cos x plus 2, tan x square plus 1, suppose this is given, etc. And exponential function x is ex or e to the power x square or e to the power x plus 1. So such type of function will be given. So from this side here, So if suppose A and E are coming, then we have to take U. The first function is algebraic function and the second function is exponential function. If suppose in first trigonometric function I and T is coming in place of U and T, then I we have taken U and T is taken V. Suppose E is first written and A is second, then we have to reverse it. And we have to take U as logarithmic function L and V as exponential function. And this is the formula for integration by parts. So you have to learn this formula. This is the formula for integration by parts. This is the formula. So now up to this you have understood. So now we are coming to the problem. One question I will take. Now we are coming to the question, one of the questions. Suppose we have to integrate x cos x dx. So now here x cos x dx, this is the question. And we have to integrate it. So now, first of all, we will understand that which function is algebraic function and which function is trigonometric function. So it is quite clear from here that it is x is the algebraic function and cos is trigonometric function. So Euler rule says that we will have to take trigonometric function add the second function, it is the v, and the algebraic function is taken as u. It is in given order, so u this is and this is v. So now we have to integrate. This is first question number 1. So now you know that integration of u into v dx is equal to u integration of v dx minus differentiation of u into integration of v dx into dx. Okay? This, and now here we can write in place of u it is x and cos dx, then differentiation of x with respect to x, and then again integration of cos x dx, and then this dx. It's quite simple, and you know that the integration of cos x is what? Sin x. So x into sin x, and now differentiation of cos x with respect to x is 1, and it is sin x dx. So now x sin x minus, now here is only sin x dx. As you know that integration of sin x is what? Minus cos x. So from the standard formula, x sin x, then minus, and then minus cos x plus c. So x sin x plus cos x plus c. So this is the answer. Hope you will understand it. So if you are understanding, please like, share, subscribe my channel. So thank you. Many thanks to all of you. These days the corona is rising and lockdown is going on in Ranchi, in our hometown. So, and I was also not feeling well. In spite of that, I am making it. So, listen, you will have to learn all these things. Then the integration will become very strong to you. So, thank you. Have a nice day.